Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable or turn off zoom on Apple Watch. So if you mistakenly double tap your Apple Watch screen with your two fingers, and then you get the zoom function on your Apple Watch, you use your three fingers to double tap and then zoom out, and I want to turn off the zoom feature. Here is a video for you. So for the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn off zoom on iPhone, the first thing you want to do, if you are on normal mode like this, is go to the settings, scroll down, locate and click on accessibilities. So just scroll down and click on your Apple Watch accessibility. Under accessibility, locate zoom, then click on that. Once you see zoom, then you should see the zoom turned on. Now to turn off or disable zoom on your Apple Watch, all you need to do is go ahead and disable zoom, then you should see zoom disabled, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to turn off or disable zoom on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.